Hello students, I am Ms. Misra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Bolna Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I will revise most interesting topic, percentage. First of all, I will define what is percentage. Dear students, as you know, this word percentage made by two words, per plus cent. Cent means century. Century means 100. So percentage means per 100. Percentage means per 100, and it is denoted by the symbol. This is the symbol of percentage. Suppose that if you write 5%, 5%, it means value of any article in 100 is 5. 5% means we write 5 out of 100, 5 by 100. This is in the fraction form, and if you write it in decimal form, then it will be 0.05. If you write in ratio form, then you write 5:100. So I hope that this is clear to you. Application of percentage are many, but I will apply those problems which is used in the loss, profit, discount, sale tax, and value added tax. Now I hope that this is clear to you. I will repeat again. Percentage means per 100. Value of any article is how many in 100. Suppose that if any students got mark 5% in 100, so it means student 5 mark obtained out of 100. Suppose that any students got marks 26 out of 100, then I will write 26%, and I will write this 26 by 100. So, dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will revise exercise. I will revise exercise 10.1 and solve some problems based on the percentage. First of all, I will explain how to solve such types of problems which is based on the percentage. In which, first of all, question number 1 of exercise 10.1. Question number 1 of exercise 10.1. 10.1. Question is, find the following. Find, first part is find the following. Find the following. 25% of what number is great? 25% of what number is 8? And third part is 10% of what number is 15? 10% of what number is 15? Now, dear students, how to solve such type of problems? So, dear students, question is find the following 25% of what number is 8? Number is unknown. So, let us suppose that number is x. Solution of this question. Let number be x. Let number be x. If 25% of x is 8. So let us consider 25% of x equal 8. So 25% of x equal 8. Now here is 25%. So how to write 25%? Dear students, as I have already explained, 25% means 25 by 100. Here 25% translate into 25 by 100 and are converted to the multiplication. So it will be multiplied into x equal 8. So it will be equal to the x equal 100 into 8 multiplied by 25 divided by 25 divided by 25. Then it will be equal to the 25 on the 25 on the 100 and it will be equal to the 4 8 32. What is x? X is the required number. So 25% of 32 is 8. Now I hope that this question is clear to you. Now next part is 10% of what number is 15? So this is same question and this question also solved by previous classes. I have already explained. So let number be x. So I will write 10% of x equal 15. 10% of x equal 15. Now here 10% convert into the 10 by 100 because 10% means 10 out of 100. So it will be 10 by 100. Half sign half will be converted to multiplication. It will be x equal 15. So it will be equal to the x equal 100 into 15 upon 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 is 100. 50 multiplied by 10 will be 150. So 10% of 100. Here question is 10% of what number is 15? So 10% of 150 will be 15. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will solve some word problems questions based on the percentage. Question number 3. Question number 3 is question number 3 of exercise 10.1. Question is after incurring a loss of in curing a loss of 30 whole by 3%, 30 whole by 3%, a man had rupees 18,600 left. Rupees 18,600 left with him. What was the amount of money he originally had? What was the amount of money What was the amount of money he originally had? Dear students, it is clear from the question. After including a loss of 33 whole by 3%, man losses rupees which have already had. Money already had, it is unknown. So let us suppose that amount of money you already had rupees X. Solution: let original money he had equal rupees X. Now he losses 30 whole by 3%, and after incurring a loss, left rupees is 18,600. He losses money of X. So I write this X minus, and I will subtract 30 whole by 3% of X. And after this, money left equal 18,600. So X minus 33 whole 1 by 3% of X equal left money is 18,600. So it will be equal to the X minus. This is in mixed fraction. I will convert this in proper fraction. Then it will be 30 multiplied by 3. 99 plus 1 will be 100. 100 upon 3. And here is percentage sign. Percentage means per 100. Therefore it will be 1 by 100. Here is multiply half convert into the multiply. So it will be multiply X equal 18,600. Now 100 divided by 100, and it will be equal to the X minus X by 3 equal 18,600. Then it will be equal to the 3x minus x upon 3 equal 18,600. So it will equal to, when subtract x from 3x, we get 2x. Therefore it will be 2x equal and multiply by 18,600 multiply by 3. 3 multiplied by 18,600, then it will be equal to the x equal 3 multiplied 18,600 divided by 2. Then it will be equal to the 2 9 that 2 3 that 6 9,300. Now therefore x equal 3 multiplied by 9,300 will be equal to the 0 0 3 3 9 3 9 27. Therefore it will be equal to the rupees 27,900. So man had only money is 27,900. Now next question is question number 11. Aman's salary was increased by 10%. Aman's salary was increased by 10%. If his new salary is if his new salary is rupees 22,000, what was his previous salary? What was his previous salary? Aman's salary increased 10%. Our previous salary is unknown. So let us suppose that previous salary yes. Solution. Let previous salary be yes. The previous salary increased yes. Salary increased 10% of previous salary, so it will be equal to the x plus 10% of x equal new salary becomes 22,000. So it will be equal after increasing 10% of x will be equal to the 22,000. Then it will be 22,000. So it will be equal to the x plus 10 by 100 multiply x equal to 22,000. Now 10 10 are 100. It will be equal to the 10x plus x equal to 22,000. So it will be equal to the 11x equal to 22,000. So x equal to 2,000 divided by 11, and it will be 11 to the 22, and it will be equal to the 20,000 equal, because here 10 multiplied by 10 and here multiplied by 10, so it will be 2,000 multiplied by 10, and it will be equal to the 20,000. Now his previous salary will be 20,000. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. I will give some question to your homework. Thank you so much.